Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys, and they're award-winning as well, Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being back today.
Thanks for having us.
It's always great to see you, and it's always great to get free legal advice. Here is our question today, and this one involves a procedure in the hospital. I went to a local doctor for an elective procedure. After the procedure, I lost feeling in my hands. I then went to another doctor who told me this was a risk of the first procedure. If I knew, I never would have had gone through with the procedure. I am a hairdresser and now I can't work. Is there anything that I can do? It certainly sounds like it.
There is. This is what's called an informed consent case. Anytime you go to a doctor, especially with an elective procedure, they have to advise you of the risks of that particular procedure. Now, most of these informed consent forms are very generic. They'll say death or stroke or paralysis, but they also need to include the specific risk of that particular procedure. And if they don't, then you could have an informed consent, a lack of informed consent, case on this.
I'm going to defer my time to Eddie because he actually just tried one of these cases. And no, what he's talking about is true. I mean, these informed consent cases are very fact specific, and Eddie just tried one, had a tremendous result in this because the doctor didn't do what he was supposed to do, telling this person. So it's very similar. So the question to yeah, there is something you could do, and you need to definitely get in touch with somebody who knows how to handle those.
All right, for our viewers who may have a situation like this and they want to talk to an attorney, how can they reach you?
They could call us, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com. And if you do call, you're going to talk to this guy.
Right, and I know these are very emotional situations as well with malpractice cases. All the consultations are confidential. So if you have a question, just pick up the phone and call, and give you an answer pretty quickly.
It's really big when Greg gives up the hotline like that.
No, he's good at something.
He has full confidence in you.
He's very good at something.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much. Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.